Good morning. Today is Thursday, it's September 5th, and I'm looking to buy this market right here, and then I'll, in a minute here, let's see, place a market order. I'm looking to buy 5. I'm going to buy 5 right now.
Order filled.
There we go. I am long this market, and the reasons for this is, let me just point this out here. This is the E-mini S&P 500, by the way. Okay, E-mini S&P 500 went long right here at 54 3/4. When the market took out these double highs right in here after creating that little inside bar right in here, I'm anticipating this market moving higher. Okay, very small stop on this. My stop on this trade is going to be below 53.5 to 53 1/4. So 53 1/4, I'm risking a 1.5 in my upside on this. It can be quite large. Again, look at the trend of today. Even though we've pulled back further than what I would have expected, this is where it opened up today, right? This is today's low. Okay, ran up to the high. All right, so we've had a nice move. So if you take into consideration these lows from yesterday, it's even a bigger move up. Okay. So we've got a nice move up. I actually got into the office just a little late. I had some personal things I needed to take care of first thing. That's why I'm doing this just a little late. So when I came in, saw that pattern, right? Let's pull back a little deeper than I would have expected, a little deeper than I would like to see, quite frankly. It's a little bigger pullback. I mean, look at if we were to take our fibs, right, and draw from these lows here to the high, right? Again, I use TradeStation, right? This is the matrix over here. Got the order, right? This is the open profit loss right in here. The market came back to the 61.8% retracement of this larger upswing here. Created that inside bar. The following bar was not able to take out the high on the following bar. Instead, we created equal highs, but the low was still higher than the inside pattern there. All right, and we're going to see if this market can move a little higher here. All right, what I've decided to do was, I'm still in this position, seeing that the market pretty much looks like it failed off this low here. I've still got this position on. I'm pretty much at even right now. I would have expected the market to bounce up a little quicker. Instead, it did come back. It back and filled it a little bit. It looks like it failed at that low. So I'm going to give it a little bit more room to breathe here. If the market is able to penetrate up through this high of 1655, okay, so I'm watching that very closely, 1655. If we penetrate up through 1655, okay, right, we're traded at 1655 right now. Then I'm going to bring that stop up. But for now, I'm going to keep it below these lows, okay? Again, if we penetrate up through 1655, I'm going to bring that stop up. I'm going to pause this video so it's not too long, and I'll be back in a minute. All right, I am back with you. The market has just penetrated up through 1655. Here we go. Look at 55.5. Okay, nice, nice, nice. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take off 3. As you can see, I changed my quantity from 5, right, because I bought 5, right? I'm going to sell 3 right now at 1655.5, which is the 50% back up to that high, if that makes sense. So look at this. I'm going to just sell this at the market because it's rallying like nice. Really good. Now place market order. Sell 3 at the market.
Order filled.
There we go. So I booked the $125. Nah, not a whole lot. I've still got 2 left, so I'm going to change this down to 2, right? Because remember, I bought 5, sold 3. I've still got 2 left. And I'm going to place that. That ran up to the 60%. Again, let me just describe exactly what I did here. What I did was I measured the Fibonacci retracements from this high down to this low, just to know some potential resistance on the way back up, right? So took profits at the 50. Market actually, the 60% is right up in here. So I'm going to watch the 1656 even closely. Okay, I'm going to give it a little bit of room, but what I want to do is I want to go to 54 1/4 on the remaining two. 54 1/4. If it takes out the last bar's low, again, it's all about trade management, right? So I don't want to risk too much on this. So look at 1654 1/4. So I'm looking to sell 54 1/4 right there, right? It's on a sell stop, right? Push that. Let's see. Oh, little mistake, 54 1/2. Sometimes it's hard to get it right. Let's go. I'm going to drag it down. There we go. Let's cancel that because I got 4. That's a mistake. Again, this is how you do it. Cancel orders. Boom. Yes, I want to cancel it. It takes it out. So again, sell 2 at 54 1/4. And that's popping up right there. 1654 1/4 right there. See how that popped up? So that's my protection on the last 2 contracts. And I'm going to watch the other 2 real closely here in terms of taking profits. So I'm going to watch so I know that 1656 is the 60% retracement, right? From, again, the high of the day down to this low. So that's one level. So I'm just going to take that off. All right, I got knocked out of that trade, got knocked out at 54 1/4 on the remaining 2 contracts, and basically it was a pretty much break-even trade. The market didn't run up like I thought it would. Obviously, in hindsight, I should have taken them all off, but I didn't. I booked profits on 3, trailed on 2, and as you can see over here, cumulative profit, $25, pretty much a break-even trade. So there you go. Hope you learned a little something, something. Again, I came in a little late today, and I saw something that I thought was a nice setup, but it didn't do a whole lot. It popped up, bought it there. Stop was right down here. Once I saw it fail here, I probably should have maybe gotten in a couple more. But again, you know, hindsight's always 20/20. It's all about working the trade. Market came up, took some profits, and then again trailed it up the remaining. So, all right. Hope that helps. Have a profitable day, and I will talk to you tomorrow.